Hello. Good afternoon. It's Saturday. It's a long weekend, and we're here right now at the Virginia City in Nevada. Okay. Jessica. Nice hat. Oh, di ba? Where? Oh, Serena. Oh, you're going up there? No. Okay. Wait, let me see. Oh, look at the city. The way it was Virginia City. Oh, look at the horsey. Jessica, we should just like... Oh, horses. Horses. Oh, it's a museum. I'm using live ink. Oh my gosh, Jessica, you're crazy. Oh my gosh. Yay. The horse. Tickety, tickety. Okay. We're gonna be walking. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, is this a museum? Oh, we have to pay for it.
Yeah. Kala ko figurin yung naka-start. Bigla lumakad eh.
Ayun yung manika niya yun.
No, walang bayad. Oh, tingnan mo may tao. Ayun siya, oh. Hindi ko makita.
Ito ng bahay. Vision.
Ah.
Pero hindi, puntahan mo na natin.
No.
Pag may time na lang tayo bumalik.
Oh, tingnan ko lang yan. Maupo ka na rin dito para kunyari ikaw.
Dito ako sa loob.
For its audience, it was a way of escaping the harsh reality of their world on the American frontier.
Naka-video tayo eh. Nakalang tayo Jess eh. Oh. Oh naman, nakita kita. Ayan oh, parang kanuno sa punso.
Piper's Opera House here in Virginia City, Nevada was just
Ay, yung donkey.
the finest theaters in the West. We're sitting on the edge of one of the proscenium boxes, and this really was the place to be.
Oh, really nice.
Donkey. Hello, donkey.
Ay, donkey. Nakita natin kanina si donkey. Poso, oh. Ito ang punso namin. Oh my God, Jessica, yung umbrella. You didn't get me one.
Galing to kay Mila.
Kayo kayong dalawa rin.
Oh, tatayo daw kami dalawa dito.
Baka naman mag-ikat nito.
Bakit dito?
Kasi ito.
Oh, okay.
Adjust ko na lang yung kulay nito.
Okay.
93.
Oh, okay. Okay, kinunan ko rin si Jessie.
Adjust ko na lang yung kulay.
Hirap ng buhay nun. Manual.
Ano?
Hirap ng buhay nun.
Uh-huh.
Manual lahat.
Yeah. Mhm. See, it's the Western life in Nevada.
Ginaya ko eh.
Which one? I didn't see that.
Yan, tabi mo ako sa picture ah.
Ah,
Collage mo ako tsaka siya.
Mamalay ko. Naka-live nga ako kanina. Screen.
Yung dalawa.
Saan?
Diyan, dito. Magkatabi kayo.
Ah, dito.
Yan.
Okay. Naka-picture, ha? Yan na lang.
Ito naman naka-video ka eh.
Maubos ang film mo.
Walang film. Eh, kaya nga, live ko para hindi maubos ang ano eh. Okay, I'm here. Where? Ay, oo. Posing. Pag may time. Pag wala, nakuha ko na yun. Naka-video na.
Asya.
Okay. Allah, Jess.
Emblema ko.
Oh, Jessica naman, kunang mag... hawakan mo lang. Naka-live eh.
Ano na?
Hawakan mo lang, naka-live ka.
Dala, dala. Tingin dito.